innovation, quality, care. We are touching lives by making high-quality diagnostic products every day. InTec, founded in 1989, and already a well-established IVD manufacturer, took the lead in developing the dry-coating hepatitis B enzyme-linked immunoreagent. Was rated as the only Grade A domestic hepatitis B diagnostic product by the National Center for Clinical Laboratories of the Ministry of Health in 1991, and was recommended to hospitals and blood banks nationwide. This significantly facilitated the development of domestic enzyme-linked immunoassays by leaps and bounds. As the Ministry of Health continuously strengthens prevention and control over blood-borne diseases, InTec remains guided by the principle of steady development and continuous innovation, and has been rolling out various high-quality products one after another based on ELISA and colloidal gold immunoassay platforms, for which InTec has won a name for itself in the blood-borne disease detection industry. Driven by research and development, InTec has developed several product lines for disease management on different technology platforms, with 2 product development centers set up in Xiamen and Suzhou, and a biological raw material development center and supply base set up in Beijing. InTec has owned multiple core independent intellectual property rights. With technical superiority, InTec's exclusively patented solid-phase chromatographic blood grouping kits have become star products for blood grouping in medical institutions, and have been exported to overseas countries like Peru, South Africa, Indonesia, Russia, and many more. In the spirit of stemming from technology and thriving on quality, InTec views its strictly quality control of product quality as its major responsibility and company mission. Putting customers' benefits first, InTec concentrates on product quality and is constantly improving its quality system. InTec has obtained numerous authentications from authoritative organizations, both at home and abroad. In 2014, InTec obtained the EU CE system and product quality certifications for its rapid anti-HIV and anti-HCV tests. In May of 2019, InTec passed the WHO pre-qualification as the first company in China and the third company globally to be pre-qualified for both rapid anti-HIV and anti-HCV tests simultaneously, which thus includes InTec in the WHO supplier list. Constantly improving the quality assurance system makes it possible for InTec to keep optimizing its traditional products for infectious disease detection and developing a variety of new rapid diagnostic products and services for respiratory disease, digestive diseases, myocardial infarction, drug abuse, and more on the colloidal gold platform basis. With more than 20,000 end users, from blood centers and clinics to the CDC and maternity and childbirth agencies, InTec branded products are sold across more than 80% of the country and are used in over 500 million tests each year. While meeting the needs of customers from domestic medical institutions, InTec also partners with international organizations, such as the World Health Organization, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, UNICEF, the Global Fund, etc., by providing them with affordable, stable, and reliable point-of-care tests. Rooted in China and embracing the world, InTec will continue to take as its responsibility to deliver cost-effective medical diagnostic products and services to medical institutions and individuals, and to make disease prevention, screening, diagnosis, and treatment accessible and affordable for more people all over the world. The people of InTec will continue to remain true to its original aspiration and forge ahead towards the next grand goal.